If you want to master the art of customizing buttons in WordPress using Elementor, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only know every step to edit buttons with the latest features, but you'll also understand how those changes impact your site's style, usability, and conversions. Whether you want bolder calls to action or just more elegant branded buttons, let's dive straight into it. So the first thing you'll need to do is open up the Elementor button editor. Head over to the page you want to work on in WordPress, then click Edit with Elementor. Once Elementor has loaded, find a button, either one already on your page, or drag a new button widget over if you need to. Give it a click. Now in that left-hand panel, you'll notice three main tabs: Content, Style, and Advanced. These tabs are your gateway to full customization, so get acquainted with them. Let's start simple with the Content tab. This area controls what your button actually does. You'll see Type. Here you can instantly set preset color schemes like Info, Success, Warning, or Danger. These are perfect if you just want a quick style change. Next is Text. This is where you'll type your call to action, something direct and inviting like Join Now or Shop Sale. Under Link, paste in the URL you want users to visit when they click. There's a small gear icon here, and this is useful. Click it and you can set the link to open in a new window so visitors don't lose their place on your site. You can also set the link to nofollow, which tells search engines not to pass ranking authority, ideal for affiliate links or external pages. Further down is Alignment. You can choose left, center, right, or even justified like a full-width button. If you love visual flair, use the icon option to add a symbol from the Font Awesome library and tweak the icon spacing to avoid it crowding your text. It's often those little details that make a button pop. Now onto the Style tab, the heart of your button's appearance. If you want your buttons to look engaging, this is where you'll spend most of your time. Click the pencil icon next to Typography. Here you can swap out fonts, adjust the size, increase or decrease font weight, or set the letter spacing for that polished, on-brand look. For colors, play with both normal and hover states. This means you can have a calm blue button that turns bright green when someone hovers over it. Just a little visual feedback that can make your buttons feel interactive and alive. Try a hover animation like pulse or grow from the dropdown so your button smoothly expands or pulses when hovered. It's a subtle touch that encourages clicks. Thinking about shape, use the border radius slider. Raise it to 30px or more for rounded corners, or go all the way for pill-shaped buttons, whatever fits your style. Finally, box shadow is your friend for adding depth. A softly blurred shadow behind the button can make it stand off the page, and if you only add shadow on hover, users get a satisfying, clickable 3D effect. Let's talk about advanced positioning. Open the Advanced tab and you'll see padding and margin controls. These let you fine-tune exactly how much space is inside your button or how far it sits from other elements. If your buttons feel cramped or too far apart, adjust these sliders until things look just right. Elementor also lets you add motion effects. Entrance animations like fade in up can make your button gently appear as the user scrolls, adding a professional, dynamic feel. And if you care about mobile visitors, and you should, use the device icons at the bottom left to preview and adjust button size and placement for mobile versus desktop. It's worth spending a minute here. A button that looks amazing on desktop but is too small or off-center on mobile can lose conversions. Here's a pro tip to wrap up. After you've created a perfect button, don't waste time redoing all those style tweaks for each new button. Just right-click your finished button and choose Save as Global. This lets you reuse your button design anywhere on your site instantly. Alternatively, go up to Site Settings, click Buttons, and set your default styles. That way, every button you add in the future matches your branding from the start. A quick verification detail: if you're using Elementor's Flexbox containers, you can center your button even easier. Just select the container itself, go to Justify Content and set it to center. Your button will snap right into place. And for an actionable tip, try adding a box shadow that only appears on hover. It creates a clickable, almost 3D effect, making your buttons much more inviting to tap. That's everything you need to know to edit and optimize buttons in Elementor. If you found this step-by-step guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment below if you have any questions or if you want more tips, and subscribe for more WordPress tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy editing.